This morning, the weather was sunny and warm. I immediately got up and went to the garden. My goal was to take videos and photos. This activity is very meaningful to me because it makes me happy. Being happy, to me, is quite simple. It means staying away from money and possessions and embracing nature. Money certainly brings comfort, and I'm not denying that. In fact, there have been times when I've needed money myself. No one can say they don't need money. I'm not saying that either. But spending time in a garden away from human noise, accompanied by the sound of birds and water, is a kind of richness that money can't buy. As the morning sun rises, I feel the awakening of nature. The gentle breeze accompanies the soft dance of flowers in my garden, while the sweet sound of water echoes in my ears. Each leaf provides me with peace, like a part of nature itself. My garden resembles a green paradise reaching towards the sky. The sunlight brings warmth and life to every corner. In these moments, time seems to stand still. As I lose myself in the embracing arms of nature, a wave of tranquility envelops me. With each breath, I feel the tenderness with which nature embraces me. It's not just a garden, it's a source of inner peace and serenity for me. While the warm rays of the sun caress my skin, I find myself immersed in the depths of nature. The cheerful songs of birds merge with a melodic dance in the branches of trees. The sound of water fills me with tranquility and peace. These moments remind me of the purest and most beautiful essence of life. In the arms of nature, all my worries and stresses vanish. I forget the flow of time and simply savor the present moment. The greenery of my garden envelops me in healing clouds, soothing my soul. Here, in the simple and flawless beauty of nature, I find my inner peace. If you also love wandering in nature like me, you can subscribe to my channel. Let's listen to nature now, please.